Steady now, bring it to a full stop at the line.
Roger that, clear on this side?
They're moving smoothly.
Yeah, good spacing on this group. Okay, that's 72 millimeters at the base.
Noted. The texture seems consistent. Check the alignment mechanism on the conveyor.
Right, I'll make the adjustment now.
Keep the flow steady into the main processor.
The yield rate dipped slightly here. Yeah.
Yes, but the consistency improved after the last adjustment.
This hide looks good, but the measurement is off by a few millimeters here. Yeah. Let's double check the tensile strength on this section. The reading on the colorimeter is steady.
Good, let's finalize the checklist for this batch.
Make sure this pallet is tagged for the overseas shipment.
Yes, already scanned it.
How does that look to you?
I think we're done. The lighting really brings out the texture now.
The batch is approved. Excellent work, everyone.
Well done, congratulations.